Hello. In this Hands-on Lab series, you'll use interactive hands-on Azure Lab simulations to deploy and configure a complete enterprise-class website solution in Azure without needing your own Azure subscription. Instead of just watching screen recordings of me showing you how to do things, you'll get actual real-world hands-on experience configuring Azure networking, security, load balancing, and traffic management. You'll use hands-on lab simulations to build a scalable, fault-tolerant web solution from the ground up, just like in an enterprise production environment. Whether you're learning Azure for work, certifications, or career growth, these labs will give you the practical skills you need to deploy and manage cloud-based applications at scale. You'll start by building the core network foundation, setting up Azure virtual networks and NAT gateways in multiple regions for outbound internet access. From there, you'll configure VNet peering and you'll deploy Azure Bastion to establish secure remote access to VMs that you'll deploy. You'll then deploy and configure 2 regional Azure load balancers. After that, you'll create and connect multiple virtual machines before fully testing your load balancing setup. You'll then integrate Azure storage accounts, front door CDN, Azure DNS, and Traffic Manager, ensuring global redundancy and high availability for your web solution. If you're ready to start learning Azure with hands-on labs, click the link in the description below to get started.